I would have caught up.
Nah, it's all right. A coyote could have got you.
Trying to think of Filipino fruit trees. I'm gonna go there.
Oh, yeah.
I can't think of any. All I can think is guava.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, guava. Yeah.
Yeah. Guava's the thing.
Man, I'm gonna say like the guava in my backyard this year.
Yeah?
It didn't fruit as much as I wanted to.
Yeah.
Man, I keep it every day when it fruit. I'll be back there eating like that will be my breakfast.
Yeah.
Taking off the things.
How many years does it take for it to grow to the point where it'll feed you?
The plant that I got,
Yeah.
it's only about this tall when I planted.
Yeah.
About 5 years ago.
Yeah.
Now it's like freaking damn near tall, at least 10 feet.
Yeah?
And like about 5 feet wide.
How many years did it take to get there?
5 years.
5?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I didn't even think about it. I just dug a hole and put it in there.
Yeah.
Actually, my dad did. I was putting it in there.
And you don't water it? You just let nature take over?
Summertime I water it.
Yeah.
Wintertime not so much.
Oh, yeah. Well, that's our winter season here is rain.
Yeah.
I love it.
But like, even in summertime, I probably like water it like once a month.
Yeah.
Because the roots is already established and digging in, so. And for some reason, the gophers hates it.
Oh, yeah.
Like the roots, just thriving.
How's the gopher? Is there a lot more, or
Oh yeah.
or Kona doing his job and just tearing them up?
I've been catching them. I caught 2 the other day.
Yeah, those traps.
Yeah.
Ugh.
There's locks on that. So they just made it and then they locked it. No, there's other ways up there. I don't know. That's, like I said, I think. No, it's actually got to be SCG. I've seen their SCG trucks over here because it was service. And they opened the gate for me. I thought one is up there for me, so I took an alternate route down.
Yeah, we're way further down now.
Yeah, I think we are.
Yeah. And we could like put a red mark or something. I know.
Oh, we go back around to where the quarry or whatever.
Yeah.
Tom, you and I need to start slapping stickers on here.
Yeah.
Subscribe! Like, subscribe to where?
Like, fuck that guy. Littering. Yeah.
I'm gonna put my stickers out here on a rock.
Yeah, view that guy right there.
What does that sound?
Probably a gun range.
Gun range. Yeah.
Huh.
Pacific Coast.
What is that, a grocery bag?
Yeah. That thing's probably full of water down there, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, but like I said, we fucked it up. It's up in there somewhere to get over there.
Oh, we could have jumped from the top into the water.
There is. I saw water down there. No, I'm sure there is. Yeah,
What are they looking at? Oh.
It was a more direct path. That's a good shot of them. John perched up there
Oh, look at that.
like a sparrow.
Now, how to get down?
Don't worry about that.
John, do not move.